Low float ICCT is getting a lot of interest. It is up, as you can see, 15.76% in this pre-market session of today, the 7th of April 2025. The stock is actually clean up from the highs of around $200, 215 or thereabouts. It printed that price in on the 29th of August 2023. Just after a spike from, was it 1 day spike that took it to that high, and then since that time it's been cooling off from those highs. Who knows whether this is now a bid to cover up all that ground that it lost since over a year now, getting to 2 years. Who knows? It's a low float, like I mentioned earlier on, and low float stocks have been defying the broader market weakness. They are defying the push to rebalance the U.S. industrial base. Has been defying the reluctance from the broader market to align themselves with the U.S. government's intentions. So what we have now, we have a couple of upper projections. Just because it is a low float stock, we have seen the stock do a lot of things, like I mentioned. Not in recent times, not in recent months. We have $10.82, 13.52, 16.22. There's no guarantee that those will print. Let's have a look here on it's a daily chart. So from time to time it tends to spike. Yes, this is what you'll expect from a low float stock. We have 6.99. Up here we have 11.99. That's almost 100%. Is it in one trading session? I think it is. Yeah, one trading session. Yes. Okay, not really one trading sessions, in two trading sessions or thereabout. And after that, there was a V retracement, a V pullback. We have also seen that as well of late, as of Friday, the 28th of March. Yeah, one trading session is this. Yeah, one trading session spiked from 0.3246 all the way towards 4.81. That is more than 10 times. That's more than 10 times. So let's see now, what do we have? This is the daily chart. So strength is expected to come back in and remain like that up till Friday, the 9th of May. So this stock is, if you like, defying the broader market weakness that is expected to remain in place for a couple of months, if not even the whole year. Yeah, it's the projections seem to be defying that. Maybe, who knows? They are the market participants are looking for where to put their money, and maybe it could be low float stocks like these, like ICT, and indeed all the other ones we have been watching of late. So let's see now. But just bear in mind that there isn't any stock that is going to be spared. If this is pumped up, it's going to be pumped down again. So in as much as the projections are saying that higher prices are going to kick in, and there's no. I think there might be trading opportunities, but no investment opportunity. Absolutely not in ICCT stock. Opportunities to trade might be there, but just be aware and be careful. Let's see now. No upper projections we have at the moment, but yeah, we have already given you that 10.82, 13.52, 16.22. There's a downward projection here of 0.5544, something that can most certainly print. Even lower prices all the way down to unbelievably some negative figures. But let's see now. Let's look at the 4 hour chart and see what's going on there. On the 4 hour chart, it looks really fascinating, but some experts, some veterans will advise you that this stock is presenting a falling knife picture, and you can see the sharp spikes and sharp retracements, V patterns going on here. Sharply spiking and sharply retracing. No consolidation, nothing like that. Indeed, of great fascination to a lot of those who can trade such volatility. And indeed, yes, it's fascinating. But at the same time, it just indicates that you have to be really careful with ICCT. So we have upper projections. I can't say. Let me see if this is an upper projection now. Going by it's okay. It's currently at 6.42. So we have it. We have some upper projections. We have right now we have 6.94, 8.9, and 10.1. So getting close to our own projections of 10.82, and indeed all the way towards 16.22. There's no projection that is in play, no down projection that is in play, but there was that was in play not very long ago. As of Thursday, we have 0.5941 that it was in play. Okay, let's have a look at the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart, yes. Let's see. On the 1 hour chart, what do we have? We have upper projections 8.17, 9.87, and indeed also 10.92, just zero point 0.1 dollars premium to our own upper projection of 10.82. So yeah, just here. This is a lot more, if you like, a lot more structured than the 4 hour chart. Here, it's far less risky than the pattern that has played out here is indicating far less risk compared to what has happened on the 4 hour chart. We can see here weakness is projected on this for 1 hour chart. Okay, let's see whether there's any news behind this. Nothing, no news, no fresh news concerning ICCT. Let's come back and see what's going on. This is the 4 hour chart. Let's look at the week hourly, 1 minute chart and see. Not that this is going to be of any use to you. Yeah. Okay, it's just trying to pull back from getting support on its 10 on its the lower line of its price channel, trying to rebound in, and maybe there might be another expansion, volatility expansion. Who knows? Yeah, so it's holding the gains of around 13% or thereabout. So ICCT highly volatile, yes, highly volatile. Maybe not as volatile as some other stocks we have seen that are low float as well, but it is indeed a highly volatile stock, and it's highly volatile. It has that history of doing printing insane gains. We saw that. I pointed that out all the way back in 29th of August. I can show you now. Yeah, this is no okay. This is in April. They did something again like that. Yeah. So this is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. It's on the 28th printed down to 32.62, and then the next day it was at 245, 245.88, 245.88. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, was it the next day? Okay, no, 2 days afterwards. I think 2 days afterwards. It wasn't one day. Yeah, 2 day spike. Even at that. Yeah, yeah. So just know how you playing ICCT on the move right now in this pre-market session. Market participants are surely watching it because, amongst other things, that it is a low float stock. Yeah, so just see what you make of it. We have projections of 10.82, 13.52, 16.22. Probabilities of those printing anytime soon. Let's see. In the very short term, yeah, you could say in the medium term, doesn't look like it. Going by what we have on this daily chart, medium term. In the medium term, in the short term, you could say short term. Yeah, in the medium term, yes, not really. No, the probability of those printing are not there because it did hasn't. Last time it printed those sort of prices will be going all the way back in August of last year. Yeah. Yeah, so see what you make of ICCT, and thank you very much for watching this video.